Hello learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to run our JavaScript codes on Visual Studio Code. So let's write a simple code of hello world. I'll write a code here, console.log hello world. So this is the code which we are going to save with hello.js file. So in the documents I'll save. So once we'll save this file, our next task is to run it. To install Node.js, we need to download Node.js installer. So we'll go this nodejs.org English downloads, and here we will download this Windows installer for 64-bit machine. To run any JavaScript program, we need Node.js in our system. So here we are installing Node.js installer, right? So once it is downloaded, we will install it. Once Node.js will be installed, it is asking to install additional tools for Node.js. Meanwhile, I'll set environmental variable for this Node.js. I'll check whether it is set in the path or not. So I will actually set the path for Node.js exe file. So I'll go to C drive program files. I'll search for Node.js, and this is the path where exe file is here. So I'll copy this path and I'll set this path in the environmental variable. I'll click on new terminal. I'll cd this path. I'll copy the path and go inside this folder. Then I'll write node hello.js. I got the output hello world, right? Very simple. Thank you for watching this video. So this is how you will run any JavaScript file in Visual Studio Code. So you just need to download the Node installer, and after that you can work it like this. We do not need to download any marketplace extension for this task. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section.